Okay, so I just got the new Rode Wireless Me microphone system. I have been really trying to improve the quality of my videos, including audio and visual quality. And I normally just kind of sit at my desk and talk into my desktop microphone, and it's fine. But if I want to move around, if I want to show stuff like this kind of thing, or I want to move around on the camera and have two hands or whatever, I don't know, it's just becoming a lot more limiting. And plus, if I'm outside or just on the fly want to talk, I need something that is better for recording and works with my phone, because right now I'm using my phone instead of a camera. So I want to try this thing out. It seems like a lot of people have been using it, kind of an industry standard. They have some newer, more expensive models, but this one was affordable, so I'm going to try it out. And I thought I'd do a little bit of unboxing. So anyway, this is the Rode Wireless Me. Comes in a receiver and a transmitter, so one connects to your phone and one connects to your lapel or whatever. I have not tried this out at all yet, so I went ahead and slit this open already just to check, but yeah, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So we have, I'll open it up. We have the transmitter and the receiver on this side. Have some instruction manuals. We have this little bag, carrying bag, stuff goes in. We have a box with some accessories and stuff. So open this up. I'm just going to make a big mess here. What do we got here? So I have a couple cables, stereo connector, some USB, some mini USB, or USB-C, I should say. One for iPhone, probably one that works for Android, depending on which phone you have. Looks like another, so I've got a clip here. And what else we got? Well, oh no. Anyway, we got these two sort of fuzzy things. I guess they go onto the microphone themselves, so when you're outside, you don't get a lot of wind noise, which is cool. So anyway, I'm just going to try these out. I'm going to charge these up and test them out. Right now, I'm talking on my earpods. Stupid earpods. Anyway, talking on my earpod audio right now, and one earpod is actually starting, the audio quality is fading. They're not dirty or anything, but anyway, the audio quality on my earpods are depreciating for some reason, and so only one side works. And so right now I'm talking on one side of this, and it's just really kind of frustrating not having a good microphone. And so I'm hoping this is going to sound a lot better. Read a lot of good reviews about it, and going to try it out, and hopefully the next portion of this video will actually be the sound quality from the Rode and not from my earpods. So anyway, big mess here, but that is everything that comes in the Rode Wireless Me. And I'm going to check it out, and I'll get back to you in a minute.
Did you know that 99% of you aren't subscribed? Why? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow me.
Okay, so you're not actually hearing the audio from the Rode yet. It's just hard to film with the same phone that I'm recording the audio on. So as you can see, I basically have the thing on right now. I have the two lights, meaning it's synced. I'll explain a little bit more in the next section, but I wanted to show you here. Hold on, let me flip my phone around. Okay, and so before you start recording or anything, you need to download this app. I think it's called Rode Central, and it basically just shows you that everything syncs. It has all your settings, your volume and your brightness and all that kind of stuff. You can also see I have both working right now. I'm real clumsy, so I don't like to walk around without a phone case, so I have these big heavy-duty phone cases. So you can use the magnet clip that it comes with to actually attach it to the back of your phone, but since it doesn't go through the case, I actually bought some Velcro. So I use Velcro a lot on a lot of things on my laptops and on my phone, so that way it just attaches here. And that way I don't have to worry too much about things falling off and breaking, because I do that a lot. But anyway, yeah, so here's the, let me open my phone. So here's the Rode Central app. As you can see, both devices are on, both are syncing. Battery's starting to run out. As you can see on the top, it's paired. It shows the receiver, it shows the transmitter. I'm not going to go through every single function here, but I did notice that I had to actually plug in the receiver, plug in the microphone, the transmitter, and then I had to turn off and on the transmitter, and then I had to turn the receiver off and on again too for it to actually sync. So it doesn't just like pop in. Maybe on somebody's phone it does, but for me I had to kind of turn things off and on a few times before both devices appeared. And now once both devices appear here, then you can go ahead and record on your device. So let's jump into the part where you actually hear what it sounds like. Okay, so now this is me talking through the Rode. I have it attached to my shirt. In the unboxing video, there was a little clippy thing. I wasn't sure what it was. It's actually an additional clip that goes on the back of the transmitter mic, and it has a magnet on it. And so, you know, you can just put the magnet behind your shirt and just clip it to the thing. And it's pretty handy in case you have like a, you know, a nice business shirt or something that you don't want to, you know, mess up by clipping something to. So you can just put the magnet behind it and it holds on. You can also, you know, you can clip it right here to your lapel or whatever if you want. But either way, you know, it works good. You know, this is what it sounds like when I'm just talking, you know, normally with the thing attached to my shirt. I did notice, you know, it's obviously stronger if you hold it like I'm talking right into it right now. So I don't know, I would probably, you know, for most recordings, if I don't need to use my hands, I'll probably just hold it so the recording sounds a lot better. But in this case, this is what it sounds like naturally, just attach your shirt. My room is a little bit boomy anyway, so that's kind of a boomy sound, but I also noticed even in the video see after this one, where I'm talking outside, it's also a little boomy, so the microphone has a lot of low end and it's a little bit boxy, I've noticed. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but you know, after years of audio engineering and music production, I notice these things. So it seems a little boomy and boxy, so you may, you know, you got a lot of room to pull out some low end. If you need low end, you have it. But if you don't like it, you can always EQ it out when you're doing your video. So that is pretty much it. Now I'm going to move on to the outside recording. Okay, so I'm outside right now. It's kind of loud. There's some jets in the sky. There's some traffic over there, some birds squawking. There's a little bit of wind. So this is what it sounds like just recording through my AirPods. I got one on the side of my head here because my other one's kind of broken. So that's kind of what that sounds like. And now I'm going to switch to the Rode. Okay, so hopefully this should be the Rode. I got it clipped right here. I'm speaking like right into it basically. In the same spot. It is kind of loud. Traffic noise again. Birds kind of quieted down. Oh, there's a bird. And there's some jets in the sky still. So that's kind of what it sounds like. If I talk really close to the mic, that's what it sounds like. If I kind of talk around here, that's what it sounds like. I got the fuzzy thing here for the wind, and yeah, it sounds pretty good. So that is a short review and unboxing of the Rode Wireless ME microphone system. If you've got any questions, feel free to let me know, leave some comments, and I'll try to answer them as much as possible. So this is Sean Early, signing off. Over and out. Bye.